guess it is working. There's Dan and Rich. One of our previous presidents, Sue Graham. And always great to have a member that's in the professional band. The most popular place is usually the hamburger grill. Out of the beach. One of the nicest views of the lake, right here at Hopatcong Homesteads Beach Association, as you can see. Linda! What do you think of the t-shirt?
I love the t-shirt. Great.
Mike, how many dock buildings have you been involved in since you've been in our beach association?
At the beach? Or?
Yes, Hopatcong Homesteads Beach Association.
2 major dock rebuilds, but then a lot of repairs.
Definitely, a lot of repairs.
Always something to do.
And you're involved in the cabana.
Yep.
How long ago was the cabana done?
I wasn't involved in the cabana.
Oh, okay.
I didn't build the cabana.
Oh, how many years have you been a beach club member?
I want to say Kevin's 18. About 18 years.
Oh.
Yeah.
That just seems like forever.
Sure does.